Hi, it is hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to manage Google password in Vivo v23. In the first step, we open Google Chrome, and in the right side we click on the three dots. Now we are going to Setting and Passwords. There we have some option of where we can manage our Google password. There we have password for Facebook, and we can see our email. It is username, but now it's email, and we can click there and it show us our password to this Facebook account. We can delete this password, click there and delete password. And that's everything. Thanks for watching.